Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete a repository on GitHub. So to do this, go to your GitHub profile and choose the repository you wish to delete. So in this case, I will choose um, this repository to delete. So to delete this repository, I will click on settings. Now I will scroll down and I will click on delete this repository. So to delete this repository, I have to type my username slash repository name. So I'll type it. Now I'll click the button. So now to confirm the delete, I have to type my password. So this is how you can delete a repository on GitHub. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.